Hi everyone, my name is Kevin Mitchell. I'm the executive chef at the Profio Estate Winery, and today I'm going to show you how to make deep fried ravioli. I've got my homemade ravioli over here, stuffed with 4 types of Italian cheeses. I'm then going to take my ravioli, place it in the buttermilk, like so it's nicely coated. I've got an Italian seasoning and panko mix here. I'm then going to coat the ravioli in that. When it's fully coated, like so, I'm then going to place it into the deep fryer. Just like that. Right now my oil is sitting at 400. Place it in there until they're about golden brown, and then remove. So this is pretty much what we're looking for here. This color, this consistency. And finally, for the last step, we're going to get into plating. So I've got my deep fried ravioli over here. I'm going to gently stack it into a nice long line like so. I've got my marinara. Just going to give that a nice drizzle like so. Take it all over the ravioli, don't be shy. After that, we're going to take my fresh Parmesan. I'm going to give it a nice little grate. Sprinkle it right on top. Finally, take your fresh basil, with a nice fine cut. Sprinkle it on top for some garnish, and boom, there you go, all done. Simple, easy, great for house parties, appetizers, deep fried ravioli. So thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to cooking for you again. Thank you. So we have our dish plated. We have our deep fried ravioli. Now it's time for the wine pairing. I've taken our 2018 Gamay Noir from the Profio Estate Winery. We're pairing it with our dish. The medium-bodied, a little bit of spice pairs nicely with our marinara, the sharpness from the Parmigiano, and the basil to tie it all in with a natural sweetness. So I highly recommend these 2 pairings working hand in hand together.